We are an Enviro school, so our curriculum is our environment. The kids are the sellers, they are the makers. That is their place. Hey, our place is unique. We think it's really special, inspiring every day. Our school has 510 students in the heart of Auckland City. Our community is extremely diverse.
This is our wonderful marae. This person is Wairaka and is our ancestor of the area. That's why our school is called Wairaka. Our marae is very special. Well, for a start, not every school has one. It's where we learn our Māori and all about Wairaka.
We're going to plant some potatoes, we're going to fertilise. Does anyone remember what fertilising our garden is?
Oh!
Yeah?
Fertilizing is like a type of like dirt that helps our flowers grow.
It helps our plants grow, you're quite right.
Walk through our school and you'll see gardens everywhere along the way. African garden, butterfly garden, Indian garden, Zen garden, European flavoured garden, bees garden, Po garden. We've got the Rongoa garden.
This is the Rongoa garden, and that's where there's like lots of medicines and stuff in there.
So this is our kawa kauli. We used it to make our kawa kawa cream. It's good for skin. It's good. It's also good for throat. It can be boiled and it can be drank with tea.
Our children are harvesting vegetables, they're caring for vegetables, they're growing them, they learn about the insects and things within our environment that support great gardens and growing healthy food.
Look at that.
Our kids, they learn their cooking skills, fantastic knife skills, they're great little cooks.
That would be great. I like mincing.
And they'll join and share in a meal together.
And I think there's going to be 4 pizzas, so we need quite a bit more. That's it, Philip. Now we're talking oregano. Beautiful.
What does that say, Oisin?
Bees.
Say it louder.
Bees.
We've got to look after our bees. Everyone knows that they're in danger, and so part of that is our learning about bees and what it is that they can give and working together to support them.
We're not going to carry it anywhere, so just lift it. That's the one.
It is hands-on, learning is hands-on. It's a great way to be. Our kids are motivated by being within.
If you just turn it around.
Actually, kind of tickles when they're on you. The grandma tree. Over that way, over that way, over that way. Welcome to our grandma tree. Now, as you can see, this tree is very old. It's like 150 years old. I don't know, maybe older. Not many people have old trees in their school. And since we're in Enviro school, I think that's important. And behind it, we've got our compost.
Because we're an Enviro school, our environment is inspiring us and reminding us all the time to think of everything. So we're very conscious about power usage, turning lights off.
I think that's enough.
How it is that we can save water, reuse water. We have recycling bins, we've got worms. Everybody has a role to play.
Pizza over
You can see your space and you just have to give it a little encouragement. So pop it down. That's a girl. Look at that beautiful thing bubbling. Can you hear it sizzling?
That's smoky.
It is very smoky. You're going to go home smelling like a little barbecue chop.
So this is a Samoan whale. It's good to have, it's nice to have a whale in our school because it represents Samoan culture.
The environment is part of reaching out, bringing people in and doing things together. We have very little vandalism. You'll find that people in the community are well loved when they pop in to say, look, I'll help and support. That diversity and that inclusiveness that we think that we create is just awesome for bringing families closer to our schooling system here. Our school's vision is growing great learners.
And what did you have to do to make the dough?
That's part and parcel of a curriculum that is integrated and seeps sustainability.
We all helped each other as a team work to make all our wonderful herbs, and thank you kitchen people and gardeners. Very delicious.
I thought the pizza was absolutely delicious. A little bit salty, but really yum.
We are looking at sustainability, ensuring that our environment is an environment to be proud of and that continues to grow and change around the people that we have, but moves out to our community and out into the global scene.
Ko